Hello dear friends, if you're during streaming you're facing with this error, that's pretty easy to solve it. I know you're just showing your face in the camera, now I use OBS because I don't want to show my face. Right, if you're just facing with this error code, that's pretty easy to fix it. Basically this error start to happening for the Persians, Iranians, people who lives in Iran. And I don't know if you have the same problem. That's pretty easy to fix it. I have no solution for the mobile device. I do have a solution to create a special app for the mobile device, but I don't have time and to create that app. Oh, so okay, let's just fix it. As I just said, you're just showing your face, and you just keep asking, please show your face. I was like showing my face, but you just keep asking like this. The obvious, this one is fake. Just click on inspect. Keep in your mind, click on OK. Alright, click on OK. So you just said that. I just click on inspect, and it just opened the developer option. Click on OK. Click on face overlay. Press delete button. Click on face overlay and press the delete button. You can close it. Boom, you can go live, and it's not gonna ask you for your face anymore. If you just press the escape button, that's gonna stop the mission, the session. Oh, by the way, I got something else for the streamers. You can just click on that part, press the inspect, and delete this one, also this one, and this one. See, you can have a clear view. Oh. So you can just go live, and that's all. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching this video. Let everyone know. Basically I think this problem it only happened for Iranians, for Persian people who live in Iran, and that's actually kind of pathetic. This website banned Iranians to go live because them country is under sanctions, is under United sanctions, and that's pretty pathetic and disgusting. That's what I think. And people are here to communicate with the people from all around the world, or we can just talk, we can just communicate, talk about a lot of stuff, but that that's not a good thing. Have a great day.